In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix American Express gift card not working. Here are ways to fix AMEX gift card errors. 1. Check the gift card balance. It is always important to check the AMEX gift card balance immediately after redeeming it. This ensures that the gift card's value is added to your account. Sometimes the redemption may not be successful, and unknowingly, you may have disposed of the card with the conviction that you have successfully redeemed your gift card. 2. Ensure the card number and PIN are correct. Your approach towards your gift card must be thorough. In essence, you must meticulously enter the 15-digit card number of your AMEX gift card and the 4-digit PIN. Ensure there are no spaces or alphabets in between the digits. 3. Contact AMEX customer service. You may have to contact AMEX customer service if the issue persists after making all efforts from your end, and all prove abortive. In this case, you may have to contact AMEX customer service